Hello everyone, Pedro here with GetResponse. In this video I want to show you how you can access your page's settings in the website builder editor. So I'll be assuming you already have a website, and if you don't, make sure that you check our tutorials on how you can create one. Right now we are in the editor and we'll be clicking here on manage pages on the far right, and then on the three vertical dots we go to settings. As you can see, we have different tabs here, and the first one is general settings, on where we have page name. We will be giving it a different name, which will be catalog, just for you to then see later on. This name will appear, I will enable the pages for you to see, and then I will go through it. This name is the one that will appear here in the page, here in the menu, in the side menu. Back to the settings, and then we have URL slug. So this will be the URL that people use to access your page. I actually have an example on this one, and you'll see how the page would look like if the slug was catalog. I'll go here, click on the page I prepared before, and as you can see, my page is icecreamtruck.grwebsite.com. So this is using GetResponse's subdomain, and then /catalog. This will be the slug for the page. Let's go back, and then we have enable page. This means that your page will be available for everyone to access, and if you noticed, when I enable, the page will actually show here in the side menu, and if you disable it, I'll do it quickly so that you can see, it will disappear from there. There it is. Page disappeared. When you disable it, this means the page was taken down and no one can access it. When your page is disabled, you can schedule to when you want the page to be enabled. So you will select a date and time, and when we reach that date and time, the page will become enabled automatically. We will disable it for now and just keep the page enabled. Then you can hide from menu. So when you click to hide, it will just disappear from the side menu here. You can just then click on hide or go back to the settings and disable this option. Let's go to SEO now, which is the search engine optimization. We can select here a page title. I'll be selecting catalog, and this title, do not confuse with the page name, because this title is the one that will be displayed here at the top in the page tab. So here is catalog because before I had the page title as catalog, just to show you how it looks like. Next you have a page description. The page description will appear in the search engine. So when you search for your page, it will be accompanied by the title and the description that you give, usually just a summary on what your page is about. You can read here as well how it will look. Following that, you can then select if you want the page to be indexed to the search engine. So this means if you want the page to be findable in Google, Yahoo, any search engine, and you can disable that as well if you don't want anyone to ever be able to find it, right? We will be keeping it enabled. And lastly, you have social media. So what this is if you share your page on Facebook, let's say we share my URL with catalog, there will be an image associated with it. And this is the image that you will actually select here. This image can be uploaded from Browse Files and Images, and also from your computer directly. It will then be up to you to choose which image you want, and should be one that will define the page, of course. But that I will leave up to you, right? And as you can see, there is another page called Access. I will only go through it in another dedicated video for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and I wish you a great day.